Welcome. As we age, many of us notice new aches, stiff knees, tingling hands, or weaker legs. The culprit? Collagen loss. But you can rebuild it naturally, starting with foods you likely already have at home. Science shows that 7 specific foods can decrease joint pain and boost collagen density, helping you stay active and independent. Let's dive in and discover how you can nourish your joints for a vibrant, pain-free life. First up is spinach, a powerhouse for joint health. Rich in vitamin K and lutein, spinach helps mineralize bones and provides the building blocks for collagen. Studies show leafy greens like spinach improve muscle strength, supporting and protecting your joints. Add spinach to eggs, smoothies, salads, or soups. Just a handful daily makes a difference. Consistency is key. Small amounts every day build a strong foundation for your joints. Enjoy it in dips, sandwiches, or even meatballs for a hidden nutrient boost. Every leaf is a step towards stronger, more flexible joints. Next, sweet potatoes, vibrant, delicious, and packed with beta-carotene and manganese. Beta-carotene becomes vitamin A, vital for tissue repair, while manganese helps form collagen. Their fiber and complex carbs stabilize blood sugar, fighting inflammation that damages joints. Bake, roast, or mash them, skins and all, for maximum nutrition. Pair with spinach or add to soups for a healing, anti-inflammatory meal. Sweet potatoes nourish ligaments and tendons, supporting smooth, pain-free movement. Make them a regular part of your diet for resilient, comfortable joints. Coconut is your natural joint lubricant. Its healthy fats help maintain synovial fluid, reducing friction and stiffness. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe nerves and ease pain, as shown in clinical studies. Use coconut oil for cooking, add flakes to yogurt, or enjoy coconut milk in curries and soups. Coconut water hydrates and provides electrolytes for muscle function. Embrace coconut in all forms to keep your joints moving smoothly and comfortably. It's a delicious way to calm inflammation and support joint health from the inside out. Oranges are essential for collagen production, thanks to their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is the cement that binds collagen fibers, and it also protects joints from oxidative stress. Eating whole oranges gives you fiber and slows sugar absorption, better than juice. Add orange segments to salads or fruit bowls for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Use orange zest in marinades or over veggies for extra antioxidants. Consistent vitamin C intake helps your body build and protect collagen, preserving mobility. Oranges are a simple, tasty way to strengthen your joints every day. Avocados are creamy, satisfying, and packed with joint-loving monounsaturated fats. Their healthy fats and vitamin E fight inflammation and protect joint tissues from damage. B vitamins in avocados support energy and tissue repair, while studies show they may even help repair cartilage. Enjoy avocado on whole grain toast, in smoothies, or as a creamy salad dressing. They also help balance cholesterol, supporting circulation and joint nourishment. Think of avocado as a protective shield, delicious and essential for joint health. Make it a staple for comfort, flexibility, and long-term mobility. Blueberries are tiny but mighty, loaded with anthocyanins that boost circulation and reduce inflammation. Better blood flow means more nutrients reach your joints, aiding repair and reducing pain. Regular blueberry consumption improves blood vessel health, as proven in clinical trials. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Fresh or frozen, they're always nutritious. Try a blueberry compote on pancakes or a savory sauce for meats. Blueberries help deliver all the other nutrients to your joints, maximizing their benefits. Make them a daily habit for healthier, more comfortable movement. Kiwi is the final key, rich in vitamin C and actinidin, an enzyme that boosts protein absorption. Actinidin helps your body break down and use collagen-building nutrients from other foods. Eating kiwi with your meals makes your entire diet more effective for joint health. Enjoy it sliced in fruit salads or blended into smoothies for a tangy, nutrient-packed boost. Kiwi's synergy with other foods amplifies their benefits, making your nutrition work harder for you. Even 1 kiwi a day can enhance absorption and support collagen renewal. It's the catalyst for unlocking your body's full healing potential. Real change is possible. Just ask Gloria, who reclaimed her garden and her life by embracing these 7 foods. Share this video with someone who needs hope and practical steps for joint health. Ready to start? Comment, "I'm ready" below and subscribe for your free collagen-boosting meal plan. You have the power to rebuild your strength one delicious meal at a time. Be well.